whether you share your mommy, your sister, your bibia, or her. Ti Mother TV, your name baby children come out. To see an omopanyin ekasawe, yeah, also an adventure. Oh, Kala more crab from my Mother TV.
Maybe Johnson.
Nampum.
Yamiado me.
And let you say, Kuma would for in a motu, a dear D. Omopanyin that adentia.
I didn't say, Papa. Hey, Bibi Susuntini, Susuyawa.
Chemuka Kanati.
What you say? Because your industry, which are a Muslim industry, conform creative fats, just a year break. And then the papa tune in Safray. You buy your son in some wakan. You would GD when Musso bet me. Because as I'm penny force it, you be done. Or castle baby, you need a chinny. And yet you buy and some jam a catcher, a chiniana. Aye.
Second National Theatre or down at this or bar or be see Eddie Amamo and a film village now. A call from nice or so saying back or bow, a bit and also a bit training the young ones no more man to be as a do 10 billion Kramuntimin directly, man. A benyan cross or everything.
I waka so obey. Tia Ghana for some trouble is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na me ya dom mo fra bengwana. Dia waka bia obey.
To be in Casaway, a Bonsam Cabina or Casabi or Pet Acunjano.
Debbie da. So why ye be da? And no wasabeka. Said the midi can see so sempen for said why ye be da. Waka so by ye biem. Ye ni na chini. Tia dear. You will GTA and your reshape movie. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So oba, dear what can be ano. Obey me.
Alabadas.
Yes, madam.